On guys, we're here again. Still at the beach. This is my beach room. And I'm incredibly bored. So what we're gonna do is it's raining outside, so we're just gonna give you a beach house tour.
Yeah.
So this is my junked up room here. Yeah. This boring closet. Let's go over here. Just the doorway. You got
Bathroom.
Nobody cares about a bathroom. Or my sister's boring room. Anyway, it's a big living room. You got a foosball table here. Look, there's chips on the table. You get the sink, that kind of junk. Just look out the window. Like this. Let me open this real quick. Taking all day.
Go outside.
I don't want to go outside because there's lightning out there and I'm afraid of lightning.
Stupid
door. Alright, anyway. So here's the porch. Pretty big, wet, ugly porch. Alright, anyway. So we got another living room here. I just realized how big this house actually was. Another bedroom, bathroom over here. Nobody cares about bathrooms. Washing machine, another bathroom. This is fast. And that. I don't care about that. The TV. Not you can see that. There you go. So junk everywhere. We got a table. You got a pillow. Another pillow. You got a fish. Alright, so I always do is go take ketchup and throw it up. No, we're not going to do that. Alright, so that was beach house tour. So, anyway.